Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every household should consider for their safety arsenal, the Kidde Smoke CO Detector, Model 30CUDR-V. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Kidde 30CUDR-V? This is a battery-powered smoke and carbon monoxide detector designed to provide dual protection against two of the most dangerous threats in our homes: smoke from fires and harmful carbon monoxide gas. With its advanced sensing technology, this device detects smoke over 25% faster than many others on the market, ensuring that you have ample time to react in case of an emergency. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features that make this detector a great choice. First and foremost, the Kidde 30CUDR-V is equipped with a robust 85 decibel alarm that provides both audible and visual warnings. When smoke is detected, the device emits a loud alarm while a red LED light illuminates, ensuring that you'll hear and see the alert, even in the midst of daily activities. Another impressive feature is the voice alert system. This detector doesn't just beep, it speaks. If smoke is detected, it announces fire, and if carbon monoxide is present, it warns with warning, carbon monoxide. This clear communication can be crucial in emergency situations, helping everyone in the home to respond quickly and appropriately. The Kidde 30CUDR-V operates on 2 AA alkaline batteries, which are included with your purchase. This means you won't have to worry about buying batteries right away, and it also ensures that the unit remains functional even during power outages. Plus, it comes with a 10-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind when it comes to reliability. Now, who is this product suitable for? Well, whether you're a homeowner, a property manager, or even a contractor, the Kidde 30CUDR-V is designed with you in mind. If you prioritize safety and compliance with home safety codes, this detector is an excellent choice. It's particularly beneficial in homes and apartments, where space is often a concern, and dependable safety measures are a must. Let's consider some practical use cases. If you live in a multi-story home, placing a Kidde 30CUDR-V on each level can enhance your safety plan. In an apartment, this compact unit can be easily installed in kitchens or hallways, where smoke and CO detection is critical. It's also ideal for families with children or elderly members, as it offers an added layer of security, ensuring that everyone is alerted promptly in case of danger. One of the most significant advantages of this product is its tested reliability. The Kidde 30CUDR-V meets the UL 217 10th edition and UL 2034 5th edition standards, along with FCC regulations for performance and safety. This means that it has undergone rigorous testing to ensure its effectiveness and durability, which is a must-have when it comes to protecting your loved ones and your property. In conclusion, the Kidde Smoke CO Detector 30CUDR-V is a solid investment for anyone looking to enhance their home safety. With its combination of fast detection, voice alerts, and reliable performance, it stands out as a top choice in the market. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.